Tents and tackle here. Testing out the rocket stove. And coming over here to the fireside outdoor pop-up pit with an add-on grill. So we will get underway and watch this and dump this in there. Stay tuned. And this has a good handle on it, so keep that away from everything. Maybe that too. These actually gotta get on the inside of these right here. Fold them down. And fold down like that. That'll be the hard part. Getting in between right here. So you could keep a little piece of wood or something in here until you gotta turn them over. That's working because the holes in the vents are from down here. That flame is kicking. This is like 22, 23 inches on all the sides about. And got perfect airflow because of the screen underneath of it. And it's easy to shake off. And these are New York strips right there with Jack Daniel seasoning. Here it is. That's my son's, and this one, well, no, this is my son's, and this one be mine. So I like mine a little bit harder. Almost well done, but he don't like his well done. Just hear it. Hear the juices. Now imagine if these steaks were here like that, you could get 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9 or 10 on here. Easy. Because it's pretty big. I'll bring you back in a couple of seconds or so. I think this is a great little fire pit with a grill on it. Unlike the one you can get at the one at the Walmart that I normally use. And that's the knockoff fire pit there with a grill for $95. This is a little bit more expensive, but this is good for anything overlanding if you're doing large groups. Because like I said, that's a lot of space on this. You got to buy, this comes by itself. And then also this rack comes by itself. And I'll leave the links down in the description. I think I probably got about $200 here, maybe, or it might be less. Is that you can catch these things on the sale. The screen down inside of it goes for about $20 to $25. But I had this for about 4 years back when it was a lot more. Back then it was like 180, but they brought the price down on it a lot. This is about, I think this was like $65, so it's not bad. And you get a screen with it when you buy this. But check these steaks out, the York strippers, and I think that's about to be done here in a minute. And you can still be able to cook on this still, even with those coals like that. It'll last for a long time. Alrighty, I'll be using this setup in my next camping adventure. Stay tuned. This is Tents and Tackle. Thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. All right, this is an update. I started doing the steaks around probably about 4:45 in the afternoon, like almost 5. It's 9:10 now, 9:15 p.m. at night. You're getting more of a constant uh, draft, I guess. So like the fire can breathe from up underneath because of the mesh, and it's getting a lot of air from all over from where it needs to be at. So as you can see here, I mean, coals are still hot in the middle. And I will be using this setup on my next adventure. This is Tents and Tackle. We'll see you again. Thanks again for watching.